Hi children, this is Miss Yasmin. Today we are going to do page number 37 in your English workbook. Now I hope you remember the previous lesson we did describing words or adjectives. No, we learnt about adjectives. So what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So you remember the page you did in page number 36 where we learnt about this and you had to draw pictures. Now let's see what they want us to do today. They want us to read. Now you know children, reading is very important. I hope you are doing your reading at home because for you to do anything you have to learn to read. So let's see. The first one, red car. Red car. Now in this sentence red car, can you tell me what the adjective or the describing word is? It's the word red. No, it's the word red. They are describing the car. The car is the noun. A car is a noun and red is the adjective. Right? Beautiful dress. So what is the adjective here? The adjective is beautiful. No, they are describing the dress. Then black dog. What is the adjective? The adjective is black. The describing word is black. Then short skirt. The adjective is short. Then cool drink. In the word cool drink, the adjective or the describing word is cool. Happy child. So the describing or the adjective word is happy. Good day. What is the adjective here? The adjective or the describing word is good. Fat boy. They are saying more about the boy. No? So they are describing the boy. So the word fat becomes the adjective. Pretty girl. The word pretty is the adjective or the describing word. Long ribbon. The adjective is long. Heavy box. Here again the describing word or the adjective is heavy. Okay children, so I hope the short sentences you can read. It's not difficult. So I hope you could read those. Okay, now let's go to the next. Circle the noun, underline the describing word adjective. Okay children, so now you know what a noun is. I have explained to you what a noun is. So they want us to circle the noun and underline the describing word. Okay, the first one, blue dress. So what is the noun here? The noun is dress. So we will circle the word dress. And what is the adjective or the describing word in this sentence? The word blue. No, so you will underline the word blue. Then the second one, white car. What is the noun here in this sentence? The noun is car. So you will circle the word car. And what is the describing word or the adjective? Is the word white. So you will underline the word white. Right children, there are 10 short sentences here. I am not going to give you the answer. Please read it and do it the way I explained the first two sentences. So what do? You first read the sentence, then you circle the noun and you underline the describing word. Okay, so you need to understand this lesson. So remaining sentences you are going to do on your own. Okay, right, let's go to the next. Match. They want us to match. Now on the left hand side they have given us words, they have given us adjective or describing words, and on the right hand side they have given us nouns. No, they have given us nouns. So let's see what are the words they have given us on the left hand side. So it's rose, cool, soft, heavy, gold, old, story and sharp. On the right hand side they have given us drink, box, flower, ring, pillow, knife, lady and book. Right. So they want us to match it, no, to match the correct describing word to the noun. So the first one has been done for us. Rose, they have matched it to the word flower, rose flower. Then cool, the word cool. What is the noun that we can match it to? There is drink, box, ring, pillow, knife, lady and book. So the word cool we can match with drink. No, cool drink. Right. So we will draw a line and match it to the word drink. Then soft. The third word soft. Let's see what we can match it to. So it's drink, box, flower, ring, pillow, knife, lady and book. So we can match it to soft what? Soft pillow. Soft pillow, no? So we will match the word to soft pillow. Okay children, so you can do the balance of the words where you will match the words onto the left hand side, the describing words or the adjective to the nouns. Okay children, so you do this on your own so that you will understand the lesson better. Okay children, so till I connect with you next, bye.